thoughts around that? What are some of the main reasons?
Yeah, I think the biggest blocker is really seeding the right developer base for that particular product. Most of the developers are either Android developers or iOS developers, and not Meta developers. And Meta needs to do a better job of making sure that it can both give the developers that it needs to create XR products better incentive to create and a better community to create with. And that's something that Android XR and iOS, Apple are very, very good at doing. And I think, frankly, that is the thing that keeps the install base low because there's not enough content to be created on XR devices. And there's not enough content to be created on XR devices because there's not enough developers to create on those devices. And so I think there's a big fix that's going to come in the next year or two with Samsung XR and iOS's next set of headsets coming out. We're going to see a slew of iOS and Android developers now really focus on building XR content because that's something that they're already used to building. It's a platform that they're already used to building on. And with that groundswell of content, we're going to see much more applications develop on XR headsets. And then therefore, a lot more folks saying, oh, that's something cool and interesting. Like, let me try that new
Yeah.
thing that popped up. And once they get bored of that, let me go try this other thing that popped up. What's going on
Yeah.
right now is that there is some interest, and we do see a lot of uptake in daily average usage and monthly average usage during like December when people first buy the headset. But after a while, they get bored of the content that's on there, and there's not enough of a refresh rate for the content and new content coming out because we don't have the developer pool that we need.